Subscribe my channel for GK. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Census 2027? Answer is Sudarshan Patnaik. What is census? Answer is the official count of the population, social and economic status of a country is called census. Census of India 2027 in which census? Answer is 16. In which year was the first census conducted in India? Answer is 1872. Who was the Viceroy of India when the first census was conducted in India? Answer is Lord Mayo. Census 2027 in which census of independent India? Answer is 8th. When was the first complete census conducted? Answer is 1881. In how many years does the census take place in India? Answer is every 10 years. What is the format of census 2027? Answer is completely digital. Who is the official mascot of census 2027? Answer is Pragati and Vikas. In which year was the first digital census of India held? Answer is 2027. Who conducts the census in India? Answer is Indian government. What is the main purpose of the census? Answer is gathering information about the population and its characteristics. In which year was the Census Act enacted? Answer is 1948. What is the main theme of Census 2027? Answer is public welfare through public participation. What was the population of India in 2011? Answer is 1.21 billion. Which new dimension has been added in 2027 census for the first time since 1931? Answer is comprehensive caste enumeration. Which ministry conducts census 2027? Answer is Home Ministry. Census 2027, which is being conducted digitally, will be available in how many languages? Answer is 16. How many questions will be asked in the first phase of Census 2027? Answer is 33. When was the first phase of Census 2027 started? Answer is April 1st, 2026. Who is the President, Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India? Answer is Mrityunjay Kumar Narayan. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for census? Answer is Article 246. In how many phases will the 2026 census be conducted? Answer is 2. By what name is the first phase of census 2027 known? Answer is By what name is the second phase of Census 2027 known? Answer is population enumeration. When will the second phase of population census 2027 begin? Answer is Feb 1, 2027. Which toll-free number has been issued by the central government for census 2027? Answer is 1855. Which portal has been launched for self-calculation? Answer is se.census.government.in. What new facility has been provided in Census 2027 for citizens to fill their information sitting at home? Answer is self-enumeration. What is the estimated budget approved for Census 2027? Answer is 11,718.24 crore. The first regular census was started during whose period? Answer is Lord Ripon. Who is known as the father of Indian census? Answer is Henry Walter. Census is included as a subject in which schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer is 7th schedule. Census comes under which list of the Constitution? Answer is Union list. Which government conducts the census? Answer is central government. In which year was the first census of independent India conducted? Answer is 1951. Under which article of the Indian Constitution there is a provision for rearrangement of seats in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha after every census? Answer is Article 82. When was the Gazette notification of the Government of India for Census 2027 issued? Answer is June 16, 2025. How many enumerators, supervisors, and officers have been selected across the country for Census 2027? Answer is approx 30 lakh. Which app has been launched primarily for the Digital Census of India 2027 to collect data from door to door? Answer is HLO, House Listing Operations app.